Hello everyone, welcome to Byte Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the error, unknown USB device descriptor request failed. This error usually happens because of a temporary power glitch, a driver conflict, or sometimes a faulty USB port. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple and easy methods to fix this issue. Right-click on the Windows Start button and open Device Manager. Once it opens, look for Universal Serial Bus Controllers and expand it. Here, you'll see the device with a warning icon showing unknown USB device. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. We'll try updating the driver first. If the issue is still not fixed after updating, then right-click on it again and select Uninstall Device. You'll get a confirmation pop-up. Just click Uninstall. This will completely remove the USB driver. After that, close Device Manager and restart your system so Windows can automatically reinstall the USB driver. Once your system restarts, check if the issue is resolved. If the problem is still there, then move on to the next method. Go to Windows Search, type Edit Power Plan and open it. Then click on Change Advanced Power Settings. This will open the Power Options window. Here, look for USB settings and expand it. Then expand USB Selective Suspend setting. If it's enabled, go ahead and disable it. After that, click Apply, and then OK to close this window. Now go back and click on Choose what the power buttons do. You'll notice some options are grayed out, so click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. After that, look for Turn on Fast Startup and uncheck it, then save the changes. Keep in mind, this option usually appears on laptops, not desktops. Now check if this fixes your USB issue. If it still doesn't work, then try the next method. Right-click on the Windows button again and open Device Manager. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, then right-click on the USB device with the warning icon and select Properties. Go to the Details tab and from the Property drop-down, select Device Instance Path. Copy the value shown there. Next, open the Registry editor by typing regedit in search and open it. Expand HKey Local Machine, then go to System, expand Current Control Set, then enum, and find the USB folder. Click on it. Now paste the device instance path which we copied earlier and press enter to locate your device. Once you find it, then click on Device Parameters folder, and on the right-hand side window, you will see one entry. Now, right-click in the empty white area, select New, then choose DWORD 32-bit value. Name it Enhanced Power Management, enabled exactly like that, without any spaces or mistakes. After creating it, close everything and restart your system. Once your PC restarts, check if the issue is fixed. Hopefully, one of these methods solves your USB problem. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.